2025 is the last year of the issuance of the N3 certificates by Umalusi. This because the Nated Report 190191 and 1 to N3 programs entered a phased-out period on 1 January 2024, with 31 December 2023 be the last date of candidate registrations on the programs. This means that from now onwards, Umalusi will no longer issue new N3 certificates. However, the organization will continue to do reissues or replacements of existing certificates where necessary. We want to assure the South African public that the currency of the already issued N3 certificates will not be eroded by these developments. In other words, those certificates remain valid, and the holders of these certificates can use them for employment.